I am over here with a glass of wine because I am celebrating the awesome things that I found at the Dollar Tree this week. I went to 2 different Dollar Trees and I got some stuff I never even imagined that Dollar Tree would carry. I will show that at the end. But let's just start off with some items that I've been hunting for the past few weeks. So last week or 2 weeks ago, I found the sticker books with over 150 stickers. I found another tropical themed one. So when we are on our honeymoon and taking Polaroids and putting them into our book, I just thought it'd be a good idea to have a few more options when it comes to stickers. So I'm excited about these. Again, they're equally as tropical, but there's more like popsicles and pineapples and all that sort of stuff. But I think there are less stickers. But exciting, good for the price. Next, I found some of these notebooks. This one is a cactus, and it's kind of metallic. And this is Velcro, and then it opens up to the actual notebook. So I thought this was super cool. I love cactus, anything. So I was pretty excited to see this, but the next one I'm even more excited about because it's mermaid themed, and anyone who knows me knows that I freaking love mermaids. So I was excited about this too because it says strong women make waves. Again, it's kind of got that metallic look to it. It's got the mermaid scales and it's Velcro and aligned on the inside. So I was super excited to see these. I use notebooks a lot. I like to handwrite notes and whatnot for work, so these are coming with me to the office. Another thing that's coming with me to the office, this is kind of a purchase that I didn't need to make, but I made it. And that would be these over the door hooks. So I have like one of those coat hooks that hangs over like your cubicle, and it's just fine, does the job, it's great. But these have mermaid scales on them, so I'm gonna be bringing these to work. I guess it's not a bad idea to hang like my backpack or my purse or something on, so these came with me too. And then the next thing is another one of those Aroma Guru roll-ons. I bought the tea tree one just because I like having tea tree oil. I kind of thought about it and I'm like, you know, it's good for any like acne spots or whatever. I started playing tennis again and I noticed that my acne kind of came back a little bit just because I'm actually sweating. So this is just nice to have as like a little spot treatment, so figured you couldn't go wrong. And then the next thing I got is this little wristlet. It's kind of like a pleather material. They had a bunch of different ones of these, but I wanted something that I could bring to Jamaica that number one, I wouldn't really care about losing if I lost it, and number two would be really small. So when we go to dinner and whatnot, we'll probably just have like our room key, a little bit of cash for tips because it's an all-inclusive, so we don't really need like a whole lot of money, but just like a few essentials so I don't have to carry a big purse. So I thought this was really nice. Again, if it gets lost somehow in the travel, not a big deal if I lose it, but it's cute. I like it. Again, they had like some watercolory ones, some floral ones, but I got the chevron one. Next, I got this for Nick, which this is a really odd Valentine's gift, but I got this Sweet Basil Grow Kit. So I'm not really exactly sure how it works because I feel like you must need some sort of soil to put in this, which is fine, but I can just tell that it's not like a pre-potted anything. But it must have everything you need. 1 plastic pot, 1 seed packet, 1 growing medium pellet, whatever that means. So we really like growing herbs of our own just because they're so expensive in the grocery store, so hopefully this works, but if not, it was only $1. The next thing I got kind of corresponds to that. This is potting soil. So if we need any potting soil for that basil, we got it right here. But this was $1. It is, I think it says 8 pounds of potting soil. We plant some herb pots in the summer with like basil and chives and anything like that, mint for mojitos, you know. But we always have to buy these big bags of soil, and we don't need big bags of soil. So I was super excited to see this. Instead of buying a big bag for like $6, got this 8-pound bag for $1, and it's just what we need. So I was really excited to see this, even though it's just dirt. The next couple of things that I got, the Dollar Tree came out with some really cool new bins. So I got these storage bins. They kind of look woven a little bit on the outside. I think they had gray, pink, blue, like a lighter blue, and then this navy blue. But I really liked these. I need to get a little bit more organized in my bathroom closet. So I thought these would be a great addition. They're pretty spacious. I'm all about that. And then I picked up another one. This one kind of has like a florally looking print on the side of it. And this one's even better for like cosmetics, especially when I have like little minis. I can just throw them in here and should be able to see them, or grab this whole thing out and look at them instead of just chucking them in my closet and then they end up in the back of my closet, and it's just not very efficient. So I thought this would be a good way for me to keep that all nice and organized. And then the next thing that I got were some pore strips. These are just like the charcoal pore strips, just like the Biore ones. I've been trying to do these just to keep my pores unclogged. I don't know, there's 3 of them in here. I think that's a pretty good price, so I was excited about these. And then the next thing I got is another skincare product. This is from Luxe Beauty Care, and it is a retinol skin cream. So I'm excited to use this. I know retinol is like super good for just skin regeneration and whatnot, and this isn't the standard Dollar Tree brand, so I figured I'd give it a shot. It's 1.7 ounces, so it's not a whole lot of product, but if it works for $1, I'm into it. It does say it's hypoallergenic. That's kind of surprising, but that's awesome to hear. And then my last 2 items I think I'm most excited about. The first one is actually a Blu-ray. This is Don Jon. I know this is out in theaters and whatnot, but for $1 I figured why not pick it up. So I'm excited to watch it. I never saw it in theaters, but it's got Joseph Gordon-Levitt and Scarlett Johansson and Julianne Moore in it. So for $1, it's cheaper than renting it. And then the last item that I found is truly the best thing I've ever found at the Dollar Tree. The best thing I've ever found at the Dollar Tree. It is the first season of Friday Night Lights. The first season of Friday Night Lights. This is my favorite show of all time. Easily my favorite show. So when I saw this, I just about died. I already opened it. We are already on the first disc. There's a bunch more discs. There's like 5 or 6 episodes on each disc. I need to find the rest of these because this is my favorite show of all times. And it was $1 for the first whole season. Hello, Dollar Tree. I'm loving it. So I was so excited to see this. They had a ton of DVDs, and I just don't know how they do it for $1, but it was really exciting. So I was so excited about this. Glad I can have a collection of Friday Night Lights. Again, favorite show of all times. Yeah, that's everything that I found at the Dollar Tree. Kind of a hodgepodge of stuff, but all stuff that half of it is stuff that I needed, and the other half is stuff that I saw and was like, oh, I really want this. But that's the great thing about the Dollar Tree. Everything's $1, so you can't even feel that guilty about it. I probably spent under $15 this week. So cheers to that. Thank you for watching, and hopefully next week I have an awesome Dollar Tree video with more Friday Night Lights seasons in it.